Hello guys. Apex Tech channel is here again with a new video. Make sure that if you're watching this video, hit that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications. In this video, I will be showing you how to convert Mp4 files to Mp3 files with nothing but just VLC video player. So first, I'm gonna play the Mp4 file in which we will be converting into an Mp3 file. Secondly, you will need VLC video player. The link is in the description tab below. After downloading VLC video player, extract it. You can see I already have it. So just go on and extract it. After extracting the file, install it. After installing VLC video player, launch it. Now click on media on the top left corner of the VLC window. Scroll down to convert/save. Click on add option to add the Mp4 you want to convert to Mp3. Then select the location of the Mp4 file. You can see mine's on my desktop. Now click on the little drop-down menu and select Convert. Then on the Profile menu, scroll down to Audio-Mp4. Click on Browse to choose a location for the Mp3 output file to be saved. Then type the name you want to name the Mp3 file. Then click on Save. Finally click on Start to begin the process. Boom. Let's try it. Now let's compare the two files. Done. Your Mp4 file has just successfully been converted to Mp3. That's it guys. That's how you convert Mp4 files to Mp3 files with just VLC video player. Now enjoy the result. Please don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting and educative tech tip. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.